my CS50 web final project. So this is a web app named Split Smart, aimed on managing the shared expenses easily. So here, that is the main index page. You can see about how this works and what are the steps involved to start using the skills Split Smart. And here you can see I am logged in as Alex on one window. Let me go to another window, and here I will log in as, here I am logged in as Bob. Okay, so first of all we will talk about the working. So Split Smart is aimed to facilitate the shared group expenses easily. So here we can see my groups, like which groups I have created. I can create a new groups by clicking this button or from this nav bar. So here I can give it a name. So I can I am going to name that apartment, or I can say hostel, no, apartment expense management. Here we can give a little description. I'm writing it for now, and I can create a group. Okay, I have created a group. Here I see there is a participants. It is showing that we have one participant, and I am also seeing a button for sharing this. So here I can share and invite link copied, and then I can send it to the other person who I want to manage the expenses with. Like I shared it to the Bob. Bob goes, logs into the web app, and then pastes the invite link in the search bar and clicks, and now he has also joined. So he has also got here, and he says view details, and I go to the view details also. So that is a group. It has 2 members. Total expense till now are 0, balances are 0, and both Alex and Bob are settled with each other. So first of all, Alex buys milk from the store, and for like you say 20 bucks, and that goes like these 20 bucks are split between Alex and Bob, $10 each. So Alex paid $10 of his share. So he is his balance is showing in green with plus 10. Otherwise, Bob has to pay Alice $10. That is why his balance has been shown as minus 10. And also, system is suggesting the Bob to pay $10 to Alex. Now, Bob can pay by 2 ways. One, he can click on this I paid button and give physically $10 to Alex. Or otherwise, he can do some other thing. Yeah, he can add some other some other thing, purchase, like he buys some groceries, and he buys groceries for 50 bucks and press. Now, total amount is 70 bucks. Now, Alex has to pay Bob $15. Now, Alex can pay by the 2 ways, like I paid, by clicking the I paid button, or and giving physically Bob the 15 bucks, or otherwise he can create another expense, and in that share will system will automatically manage that amount. So now Alex says I paid these $15, and now both are settled with each other. Now Alex has some other expense. We can say it is some other expense, and both have to share this expense because they are living in the same apartment and sharing all the expenses with each other. He says 50 bucks, and there is another expense, and then it remembers, no, I have to add another expense. That was not amount was 40 bucks. He can delete this, and he can add other time, and he can say that was 40 bucks, and there he goes. On the other way, Bob can create another expense, like he has some other expense. He also pays 40 bucks, and now when he pays 40 bucks, both are settled. That is my web app.